What's up, guys? It's Justin from Jordan Performance and Racing. We are here with our brand new 2024 Mustang Darkhorse. We just picked it up last night. It had 13 miles on the clock. I think right now it's got 53 miles. This is a 24 Darkhorse Premium with a handling pack, no recaros, and a manual transmission. So we're here today to we're take a look at it. I'm going to go through a few things. And first things first, that as you see it is how it was delivered to me. It's got the extra wing in the back, the little gurney flap. It's got some sills. But today we're going to see what it weighs as delivered from Ford. It's got basically a full tank of fuel. It had a full tank when I got it, and it has 53 miles, I believe, right now. So we're going to see what it weighs. You can take some guesses and see, but put on the scales, actually get a corner balance on it, and see our starting point and see where we go from here. All right, so this is it, 2024. It's a vapor blue Darkhorse, and I'll be honest, I didn't love the color initially. This is one of those. It was available at my dealer, and I was happy with the deal. It worked out, and so we ended up buying it. But the more I look at it, the more I love the color. So that's always a pleasant surprise. 5-liter. Yeah, you guys know the car. This one's a manual transmission, and so it's got a whopping 53 miles on the odometer, and it's just below, I want to say 7/8 of a tank, maybe about 3/4, a little below. Let's see. Yeah, you know, so it's pretty full. It also has, you know, when they come from the factory, they don't actually put the rest of the spoiler on, so it's got a trunk full of goodies to put on too. So we've got the gurney flap, we've got the flaps for the front wheels and tires, subwoofer still here, we've still got the owner's manual, we got a couple of screws. Heck, we still have the license plate frame. So we're gonna put them on the scales today and see what it weighs. You know, it's the same chassis more or less as the S550, but there's quite a bit of difference once you actually look at it closely and see what Ford did for the new S650. So we're excited to get it on the scales. We're gonna corner balance it and see what we're working with. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, so we're back in the shop today. For those savvy viewers, you'll notice that I'm wearing a different shirt and we're on a different lift. So the plan yesterday was to do the intro, weigh it, and all that kind of stuff, basically as it came from Ford. But shop life, time got away from me, and I had an appointment at my son's school at 6 o'clock yesterday, so I had to leave a little early. So we didn't get it done. But in the interest of full disclosure, we no longer have 53 miles on the clock. Now we have like 90 something, 95 or 98. To keep it as accurate as possible, I put 22-pound ballast in the rear. And so we're gonna see what it corner balances and what it weighs, more or less as delivered from Ford. I also put the gurney flap on a few minutes ago, so that's no longer in the trunk, but it's currently attached to the spoiler where it belongs. So we're gonna take make our best guess to see what it weighs and go from there. I'm gonna say it's 38.25. What do you think, Josh? What's your guess gonna be?
I'll go 39.50.
39.50, Nick?
Ooh, I'm thinking a nice 40.10.
4,010. All right, so 38, what'd I say? 38, 25, 38, yeah, 38.25, 39.10, that was?
39.50.
39.50, and then 4,010? 4,010? All right, and then RIP Bob Barker, closest one without going over is gonna win. All right, let's see what happens. Okay, so I'm not a savvy YouTube guy, so I can't start and stop the camera, or I have to start and stop the camera to get the camera to flip around. So yesterday's 53 miles. It's a 40-mile trip to work, so now we got 93 miles. 20 miles here, 20 miles home. So that seems pretty good. Gurney flap is on. All the crap's in the trunk still, and we got 22-pound lead ballast, courtesy of the Black Car Nightmare. So it's about as close as we can get. It's still got, you know, 3/4 or so tank of fuel, and we got ballast in it. So let's see what it weighs. The only thing that may be kind of funky is I have a guide plate on the dyno lift. or the 2-post lift that the front wheel goes into. So I don't know if it's going to affect the weight. I think it'll be fine, but it may throw the balance off side to side because it's going to have that side jacked up. So it's probably going to show more on the driver's side than what we'd expect. But either way, I think it's going to be a good number. So, all right, Josh, go ahead. Woo! She's a big girl. All right, so the pads are off, right? Oh yeah, we got daylight. Alrighty, so there's our number. So this is a 24 Darkhorse. This has handling pack, no recaros, no. Don't cheat, don't cheat. Jerry, cheat. Good, no cheating. Trying to look at my handheld over here. Handling pack, no accessory pack, no recaros. It's a premium car, so it's got Lord knows how many computers in it. But 3,932 pounds. So that is a tickle under 4,000. So I was 38.25. You were
39.50.
You are definitely the winner. Although, if we're playing Price is Right rules, I win because you went over.
Yeah. Right.
Closest without going over. That's
without going over.
R.I.P. Bob Barker.
Yeah.
However, Nick, you win. Or excuse me, Josh, you win. Where the hell's the donut? Where's the donut? I was gonna give you a shiny stale donut for breakfast.
Already ate it.
You already ate the donut? That was gonna be the prize. We had one donut left. That was gonna be the prize. Son of a gun. All right. Well, there you have it. 3,932 pounds, as delivered from Ford Motor Company. 2024 Darkhorse Premium, handling pack, manual trans, non-recaro car. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in, and we will see you at the next one. All right, we're gonna do one more thing. We're gonna see what's a race weight gonna be, because your boy is not exactly super light. It's bulking season here in Florida. So, all right, we're inside. Yeah, everything is in. Obviously, I haven't taken anything out yet, but I'm not sure this will show square. It's probably backwards. 41, 30, 41, 31. So, she's a big girl. She's thick in the hips, but we love her, and that's okay. But yeah, I'll do some more videos and some more content about the car. I'll tell you, like most people have said, when you see it in person and when you see the interior, they're really nice. The pics don't do it justice. I could say I'm not biased, because I'm not, because I have a S197, an S550, and now an F650. The interior, the overall quality, the material feel in this car is better than any S550 I've ever sat in. So Ford nailed it. They're going to be hot. They're going to be popular, and they're going to be a worthy successor to the S550. And once the tuning is released, you're going to see some pretty wild power numbers, and definitely some pretty wild performance numbers. So, alrighty, 4,130 pounds going to the track tomorrow night. Shoot, this thing goes in the 12s. That'd be pretty good, I think. But we'll find out tomorrow. All right, thanks, guys.